In this video, I simply want to show you how to change the wallpaper of your Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus. Very easy. So you're on your home page over here, home screen. You're gonna simply keep press where there's no app. So you can keep press on the background like this. Then press Wallpaper and Style. This will load up, and here you have your lock screen and your home screen. Click on Change Wallpaper. You're going to have a few different options here that come pre-installed with your tablet. You can go down as well, and you have gallery. So if you took pictures with your tablet, you're going to be able to use them as a wallpaper. If you go down, you're going to have more different choices. Let me choose this one. I want on both. I'll press next. I'll wait a few seconds. And now I can customize the lock screen. You see there is the date, the time over there, and some app notifications. Well, if I tap on one of these, I'll be able to make it bigger or smaller, depending what you prefer. You also have more customizations appearing here if you prefer the time to be displayed a different way. Okay, then tap somewhere else. And you can tap on these small apps as well. You can customize them if you prefer having this kind of notification on your home screen. Once you're done, you're gonna press done on the top right corner. Wait a bit, and now if you go back on the home screen, here we go, there is another wallpaper. So I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.